Four identical metal plates are located in air parallel to each other and distance d from one another. The area of each plate is equal to A. The arrangement is shown in the figure. The capacitance of the system between P and R. Now suppose we have four plate system like this. So let me draw the diagram again. So this is our first plate, this is our second plate, this is our third plate, and this is our fourth plate. Now we are very sure that these plates, so just do the naming. So let's say this plate phase is 1, this will be 1 dash, this is 2, so this will be 2, so this will become 2 dash, this will be 3, so this will be 3 dash, and say this is 4 and this will be 4 dash. So now what they have done, they have actually wired these two plates. So that means wiring means same potential. Okay, so this is the concept of this. And one more thing we know that any point A, B, C, D, any point I take A, B, C and D, so we know that EA, EB, EC and ED will be equal to 0. Why? Because this is a metal plate, so no charge will exist inside, right? So these are metal plates, so charge will not exist. Charge will not exist inside, right? So that means electric field will be 0. That means, what do I mean? That phase 1 and 1 dash will have the same potential, right? 1 and 1 dash will be having same potential, 2 and 2 dash will be having same potential, similarly 3 and 3 dash will be having same potential, and 4 and 4 dash will be having same potential, correct? Now what you have to do, you need to make the equivalent circuit diagram. So in order to make that, let me just draw here. So supposedly now look, 1 and 2 actually are forming a capacitor, which I can say C1, 2 and 3 forming a capacitor, which is C2, and similarly these two plates 3 and 4 are forming third capacitor C3. So what happens here, suppose I have one capacitor, plates 1 and 2. Now 1 and 1 dash, right, 1 and 1 dash will have the same potential, correct? And 2 and 2 dash will be having same potential. So let's say this is our 2 dash, that's why I made like this, and this will be 2 dash and 3, because this is another capacitor. So this plate is 2 dash and this plate is 3. Now 1 will be connected with 1 and 1 dash has to be connected with 4 and 4 dash, that means 4 and 1 has to be the same potential. So that means this will be 4, then this will be 3, correct? So we have 3 capacitor, we made 3 capacitor, and what do we know? That 3 and 3 dash, so this is 3 dash, 4 and 3 dash, this is capacitor number 3. So 3 and 3 dash will have the same potential, so we match this one. Are you getting it? Let me repeat it. Suppose I have 1 and 1, 2. So capacitor number 1 and 2 plates are there. Now 2 and 2 dash have the same potential, so I connected with 2 dash, this plate is 2 dash. So with this plate 2 dash, capacitor C2 is coming into the picture. So 2 and 3 is here. Now 3 and 3 dash will be having same potential, because electric field is 0 inside at point C, and similarly 1 and 4 will have the same potential because we have wired it, right? So that means 1 and 4 will have same potential. So equivalent circuit diagram will be like this. Now we know that C1 or C2 or C3 all will be equal to epsilon naught A by D, because area is same, distance is D everywhere. So To solve this, we can say C1, C2, C3 equal to C only. So this will be C, C and C. Now we know that this circuit diagram will look like this circuit diagram, correct? So this equivalent will become C by 2, because in series we have C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. If you put it, then you get C by 2. So now you have C by 2 and C in parallel. So in parallel, what you need to do, C equivalent will be equal to C plus C by 2, which will be 3C by 2. So if you put the value, you get into epsilon naught A by D. So C equivalent will be epsilon 3 by 2 epsilon naught A by D, which is the answer. So which option is correct? First option is correct. This question is highly important.